Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade margherita pizza. Start with the dough, the foundation of any great pizza. Combine flour, water, yeast, and a pinch of salt. Knead it well until it's smooth and pliable. Then, let it rest and rise in a warm place for about 1 hour. This step is crucial for a light and airy crust. While your dough is rising, prepare your toppings. A simple sauce made from crushed tomatoes, a little salt, and olive oil is perfect. Slice fresh mozzarella into thin pieces and have your fresh basil leaves ready. Once the dough has risen, gently stretch it into a 10-inch circle, preparing it for the oven. Now for the fun part, assembly. Spread your fresh tomato sauce evenly over the dough, leaving a small border for the crust. Distribute the mozzarella slices and a few basil leaves. Bake your pizza in a very hot oven, ideally around 500 degrees Fahrenheit, until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Once out of the oven, add a few more fresh basil leaves for aroma and a drizzle of good extra virgin olive oil. This enhances the flavors beautifully. Don't forget to check the description for links to ingredients and other great deals. Slice your homemade margherita pizza into 8 pieces and serve it immediately to enjoy its fresh, delicious taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.